Breaking information on our I-Team investigation of disability lawsuits sweeping the Jacksonville area. A legal source tells the I-Team a complaint against local attorney Dr. Robert Gibson has been filed this afternoon with the FBI.
Gibson and two disabled plaintiffs have filed 50 federal lawsuits combined against local small businesses. The suits argue these establishments aren't complying with federal disability requirements outlined in the Americans with Disabilities Act. They are also all demanding payment of plaintiff attorneys' fees for Gibson. I-Team investigator Lindsay Gardner reached out to the FBI for comment today. Lindsay?
Well, Mary, the FBI told me the Department of Justice guidelines prohibit the FBI from confirming or denying the existence of an investigation. We declined to provide specific comment at this time. Meanwhile, Friday, the I-Team told you one business, Luby's Hot Subs, turned the tables on Gibson, filing this lawsuit against him, his firm, his employees, and plaintiff Wanda Moore, alleging fraud, negligence, and civil conspiracy. And today, Luby's legal team told me more than a dozen other businesses now want to join in. Attorney Justin Drash is a consumer protection attorney in Jacksonville. His firm, Thaley Drash, and the Terrell Hogan firm have teamed up to file this 10-page lawsuit against Robert Gibson, Wanda Moore, and others.
Do you think this could rise to the level of a class action lawsuit?
I believe it can.
The suit alleges Gibson committed fraud, negligence, and civil conspiracy. It also alleges fraud and civil conspiracy on behalf of Wanda Moore. She is the disabled Jacksonville mother who was sued 40 out of the 50 businesses.
If Wanda Moore didn't actually go to these businesses and then approach Mr. Gibson to represent her, if it was a pre-planned visit, I believe that would be problematic, and we certainly look forward to finding the answer to that.
Can any of these businesses get their money back?
I don't know yet. That's something that we're certainly looking into.
Omar Akel also plans to hire Drash. His business, the First Coast Deli and Grill in Lakewood, was sued the very same day our I-Team stories broke about these cases. He says he remembers seeing Wanda Moore in his parking lot.
I was standing right there, and I looked out there, and I seen a guy pulling a lady out, like in one of them little scooters. And then I seen him take a picture. He was wearing shades. I seen him take a picture. After he did that, he put her back in, and another lady came in, held the door open with her foot, took a picture of the bathroom. As soon as she took a picture of the bathroom, I said, "What are you doing taking pictures of the bathroom?" And she only took a picture of the men's bathroom, not the females. And she said, "You'll find out," and started laughing.
She laughed in your face?
Yeah, laughed and said, "You'll find out," and left.
Akel says he got his lawsuit about 4 to 5 days later. Drash tells me he plans to get to the bottom of what's happening.
The clients that we represent, they feel very strongly about the Americans with Disabilities Act because disabled Americans are their patrons as well as able-bodied Americans. These people, while they believe in the Americans with Disabilities Act, they don't want to be defrauded by somebody that's coming in and representing themselves as a victim when in fact they're not a victim.
I called Gibson's office for a comment today. I received a statement in regards to the suit filed against Gibson on behalf of Luby's Hot Subs. It said, "We vehemently deny the basis for the recent lawsuit file. Due to the confidentiality provision that the plaintiff in the new lawsuit may have violated, I cannot comment further. However, the lawsuit will be vigorously defended as we consider that the lawsuit was filed without factual or legal support. I am confident that my client, Ms. Moore, was on the premises." We still invite Mr. Gibson and Ms. Moore for an interview to tell their side of the story.